Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As we all know, our kidneys play a vital role in keeping our body free from toxins and extra or unnecessary substances. But sometimes, due to our unhealthy diet and lifestyle, our kidneys have to work more than usual, which can be very stressful for them. And that's when toxins start building up in our blood, which can lead to kidney failure. To prevent this from happening, we need to take good care of our kidneys by eating healthy foods and avoiding the ones that are not good for our kidneys. So in today's video, I am going to share with you the top 10 foods for healthy kidneys that you should include in your daily diet. So let's get started. Number 1, watermelon. Watermelon has a high water content and is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which makes it an excellent choice for kidney health. The high water content helps to keep the kidneys hydrated and functioning properly, while the nutrients and antioxidants help to protect the kidneys from damage. Watermelon is also a good source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of kidney stones. Number 2, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, limes, and lemons, are highly astringent in nature. This means they will help your body eliminate toxins through urine. They are also a good source of vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system and reduce inflammation in the body. Number 3, blueberries. Blueberries are a type of fruit that is high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all of which are beneficial for kidney health. Antioxidants help to protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, while the vitamins and minerals help to support proper kidney function. Blueberries are also a good source of fiber, which can help to maintain healthy blood sugar levels and prevent kidney disease. Number 4, apples. Apples contain a variety of nutrients, including potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, which can help to maintain overall health and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps to regulate blood pressure, while vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help to protect the kidneys from damage. The fiber in apples can help to maintain healthy blood sugar levels and prevent kidney stones. Number 5, green tea. Green tea is a type of tea that is known for its many health benefits, including its potential to improve kidney health. It contains a variety of antioxidants that can help to protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Green tea also has been shown to help lower blood pressure and improve blood sugar control, both of which are important for maintaining kidney health. Number 6, salmon. Salmon is a type of fish that is high in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, all of which are important for maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of kidney disease. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, while vitamin D helps to regulate blood pressure and support bone health. Number 7, garlic. Garlic is a type of plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains compounds that can help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, both of which can contribute to kidney disease. Garlic also has been shown to help lower blood pressure and improve blood sugar control, which are important for maintaining kidney health. Number 8, spinach. Spinach is a type of leafy green vegetable that is high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and magnesium, all of which are important for maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of kidney disease. The high vitamin C content can help to protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 9, yogurt. Yogurt is a type of dairy product that is made from milk and has been fermented with beneficial bacteria. These bacteria can help to improve gut health, which in turn can help to improve kidney health. Yogurt also is a good source of protein and calcium, both of which are important for maintaining overall health. Number 10, almonds. Almonds are a type of nut that is high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They contain vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are important for maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of kidney disease. The healthy fats in almonds can help to reduce inflammation in the body, while the fiber and protein can help to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Well, these were some of the best foods for your kidneys. Now let us discuss what foods you should avoid if you want to take good care of your kidneys. If you have been diagnosed with kidney disease, or if you are at risk for kidney disease, it is important to avoid foods that can put extra strain on your kidneys or worsen kidney function. Some of the worst foods for your kidneys include processed meats, sugary drinks, and foods high in saturated and trans fats. Processed meats such as deli meats and hot dogs can be high in sodium and other additives that can be harmful to the kidneys. Sugary drinks and foods high in saturated and trans fats can contribute to obesity and type 2 diabetes, which can worsen kidney function. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions or concerns about kidney health, please talk to your doctor. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Have a wonderful day.